Yeah, we're working on a Toyota Hilux truck today, and this customer wants an aerial mounted in the centre of the roof. Now the issue that we've got here is it's quite difficult to figure out where to drill the hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to try a new technique today. We're going to try with and this technique's, I've done this before, you put a screwdriver up through from below and you push gently upwards with the screwdriver, and you should be able to, you don't push hard enough to put a dent in the panel work on the roof, but you are able to identify from above where the point of the screwdriver is, where you're pushing from below. And we're just going to try that, and hopefully we can video it. Hopefully we can see. You normally pick it up with a reflection from the paintwork above. And we'll just stop this video and we'll look above and see what we see. No, I can't see it in the shine, and I can't see it. Oh yes I can. Yes I can see it. Hang on. God, that's hard to see. Yeah, hang on. If I can just put my just right there. Yep, okay. Yep, there is a mark there. It's very difficult to actually pick up, but it is there. Okay. Righto. So there's the little dimple mark. Well, the little dimple was there. It doesn't actually make a mark, but we put a pen mark there just to highlight it. And there's where we drilled our hole. So we've come behind our little dimple mark quite deliberately. What we're going to do now is we're going to tidy this hole up with cold galv and then fit the aerial through from below, the aerial base through from below. Anyway, that's a little technique you can try if you can't line things up. Just create a little dimple with a bit of pressure from below, just so that you're assured that you're in the right place, because if you drill a hole here and you muck it up, it'll get really exciting. Not only will the car dealer be upset, no doubt, but the client as well. And when the paint dries, we'll set the base through with a bit of sealant around it to make sure absolutely no water gets in there.